Are there any rules using black acrylic color? No. I'm not into rules, as you may have guessed. I give guidelines and tips. I honestly never, I've been painting, I don't know, since 1980. That's a long time. It's 2018 now. Never use black, hardly ever, ever, ever. Just because of the color relationships I'm trying to cultivate. But there are some wonderful, wonderful paintings that are done just with black. So when I teach painting, I teach people how to mix a black and how to create a black that will harmonize with other colors in the palette, and also that there is no true black in nature. Is that, you know, I'm looking at my tripod or, you know, the back of the chair, and there's all these shades and modulations that are read by the eye as black, but there's actually, you know, sort of like a dark purple at the top and like really dark purple. Again, to mix a black, I have a video on how to mix a brown. It'd be fun to make how to mix a black, because most people are like, what? You can't mix black. But yeah, you can if you got the right colors. So, man, is someone taking notes? Will someone send me an email? Because I've honestly made a bunch of video topics I want to cover, and hopefully I'll remember them. And be able to make them for you in the future. Anyway, so yeah, if you're trying to create harmony, or you're trying to do any kind of representational or naturalistic colors that you would find in nature, I would mix a black. But if you're doing something that's more, you know, less based on how colors appear in nature and more employing the power of black in relationship to other colors, then again, no rules there, okay?